Did you know that your muscles start losing strength as early as your 30s? Yes, that's right. By the time you hit 50, you could be losing up to 2% of your muscle mass each year. No wonder so many people experience that feeling of heaviness in their legs, difficulty climbing stairs, or that extra effort it takes to rise from a chair. If you can relate to this, don't worry. You're not alone. The great news is that with the right dietary choices and lifestyle changes, you can regain your strength and maintain your independence. In today's video, we're diving deep into the world of muscle weakness in seniors. We'll explore why muscle loss happens, how it impacts your health, and most importantly, reveal 10 essential foods that every older adult should have on their plate. These superfoods can help you preserve muscle mass, boost strength, and even enhance your overall well-being. So make sure to watch until the end. You won't want to miss a single detail. But before we jump in, take a second to like this video and subscribe to the channel. Let's aim to make this the most liked video on the channel. Drop a comment letting us know where you're watching from. And after the video, share your thoughts on the foods you already include in your diet. Why does muscle weakness happen? Have you ever heard the term sarcopenia? It comes from the Greek words sarx, meaning muscle, and penia, meaning loss. Simply put, sarcopenia is the gradual loss of muscle mass and strength that occurs as we age. While it may sound like a natural part of aging, it's actually something you can fight back against. For those in their 50s, 60s, or beyond, the changes in muscle mass can be significant. From the age of 30, the human body starts losing about 3% to 8% of muscle mass per decade. This loss accelerates as you age, and by the time you're over 60, you may begin to feel the effects more acutely. Everyday tasks, like walking upstairs, lifting objects, or even getting up from a chair, can suddenly feel more strenuous. But why does this happen? Several factors are at play. Hormonal changes. As we age, levels of hormones like testosterone in men and estrogen in women begin to drop. These hormones play a key role in maintaining muscle strength and mass. Reduction in physical activity. With age, people naturally become less active, which means less muscle engagement and maintenance. Insufficient protein intake. Protein is the building block of muscle, but many seniors don't consume enough of it, leading to faster muscle loss. The good news? You can reverse this trend with small changes to your lifestyle and diet. And that's exactly what we're going to discuss now. Let's explore the 10 essential foods that should be on every senior's plate. 1. Omega-3 rich foods. When it comes to promoting muscle health in seniors, omega-3 fatty acids are absolute powerhouses. These essential fats, found abundantly in fatty fish like salmon, mackerel, sardines, and tuna, play a crucial role in muscle preservation. Omega-3s are not produced naturally by the body, so you must get them from your diet. One of the standout benefits of omega-3 is its ability to reduce muscle inflammation. As we age, inflammation in muscles increases, leading to soreness, weakness, and slower recovery. Omega-3s help by reducing these inflammatory responses, making it easier for seniors to stay active and mobile. Moreover, these healthy fats support the production of proteins involved in muscle synthesis, ensuring your body has the necessary tools to maintain and rebuild muscle tissue. If you don't have access to fresh fish, don't worry. Canned sardines or tuna can also deliver a hefty dose of omega-3s. Just be sure to choose those packed in water or olive oil rather than vegetable oil to maintain nutrient integrity. Incorporate omega-3 rich fish into your meals 2 to 3 times a week. For a quick meal, toss sardines into salads, mix them with whole grain pasta, or make a protein-packed sandwich. 2. Legumes. Legumes are nutritional powerhouses that should be a staple on every senior's plate. They include foods like chickpeas, lentils, beans, peas, broad beans, and soybeans. These foods are particularly high in plant-based protein, a key nutrient needed to maintain muscle mass. What makes legumes so special? For starters, they provide complete protein when combined with grains like rice or quinoa. Proteins are essential for muscle repair and growth. But as we age, our ability to synthesize protein decreases. That's where legumes come in. They supply essential amino acids that contribute to muscle health, especially the amino acid leucine, which plays a significant role in muscle protein synthesis. In addition to protein, legumes are also rich in fiber, which supports digestive health and ensures better nutrient absorption. They're also full of essential minerals like magnesium, potassium, and iron, which aid in muscle contraction and strength. Include legumes in soups, stews, salads, and even veggie burgers. Try a bowl of lentil curry or a hearty black bean stew to get your dose of plant-based power. 3. Eggs. Eggs are a nutritional goldmine for seniors dealing with muscle weakness. Each egg is packed with about 6 grams of high-quality protein, which is essential for muscle repair and growth. But protein isn't the only thing eggs bring to the table. They're also loaded with vitamin D, vitamin B12, and choline, all of which support muscle health and energy production. Leucine, an amino acid found in eggs, plays a particularly vital role. It is one of the most potent triggers of muscle protein synthesis, essentially jump-starting the process of muscle repair. This makes eggs one of the most effective foods for muscle health, second only to breast milk in terms of protein quality. Seniors looking for weight management will also benefit from eggs. They have a high satiety factor, meaning they keep you fuller for longer, which helps prevent overeating. Enjoy eggs boiled, scrambled, poached, or in omelets. For an extra muscle-boosting breakfast, pair scrambled eggs with sautéed spinach, whole grain toast, and a side of fruit. 4. Lean meats. When you think of muscle growth, you probably think of lean meats like chicken, turkey, pork, and lean cuts of beef. These animal-based proteins are some of the most efficient ways to stimulate muscle protein synthesis in older adults. Lean meats contain complete proteins, meaning they provide all 9 essential amino acids needed for muscle development. But that's not all. Lean meats are also rich in vitamin B12, which supports the nervous system and prevents muscle weakness caused by neurological issues. Zinc and iron are also abundant in lean meats, aiding in oxygen delivery to muscles, energy production, and immune support. When choosing cuts of beef, opt for top round, tenderloin, or sirloin, as these contain less fat while still providing ample protein. Incorporate lean meats into your diet by grilling, baking, or stir-frying them. Combine chicken breast with a colorful array of veggies for a protein-packed stir-fry that supports both muscle growth and overall health. 5. Leafy greens. Leafy greens such as spinach, kale, collard greens, and Swiss chard are essential for seniors looking to maintain muscle strength. These greens are packed with nitrates, which enhance muscle oxygenation and improve muscle performance. When muscles receive more oxygen, they function more efficiently, making activities like walking, climbing stairs, and exercising much easier. In addition to nitrates, leafy greens also provide vitamin K, folate, magnesium, and antioxidants, all of which play a role in muscle health and recovery. Spinach, in particular, has been shown to boost muscle power due to its high levels of plant-based nitrates. To maximize the benefits of leafy greens, add them to smoothies, soups, or as a side dish to your meals. You can also sauté spinach with garlic or toss kale into a fruit smoothie for a quick, healthy boost. 6. Dairy products. If you're looking for foods that can boost both muscle strength and bone health, then look no further than milk, yogurt, and cheese. Dairy products are an excellent source of high-quality protein, as well as calcium, phosphorus, and vitamin D, all of which are critical for maintaining muscle and bone strength. Calcium and phosphorus support bone density, while vitamin D enhances calcium absorption and prevents fractures. Casein and whey proteins found in milk contribute to muscle repair, especially when consumed after physical activity. Seniors can benefit from both regular milk and fermented dairy products like yogurt, which also promotes gut health. If you're looking for a lighter option, try Greek yogurt, which has double the protein of regular yogurt. Enjoy it with fresh fruit or blend it into smoothies for a refreshing, muscle-boosting snack. 7. Nuts and seeds. Nuts and seeds, such as almonds, walnuts, flax seeds, chia seeds, and sunflower seeds, are small but mighty when it comes to muscle health. Packed with vitamin E, healthy fats, protein, and magnesium, they support both muscle recovery and the body's inflammatory response. Vitamin E, found in abundance in almonds and sunflower seeds, protects muscles from oxidative stress and damage. This means faster recovery after exercise or physical strain. Omega-3 fatty acids in chia and flax seeds also help reduce inflammation, promoting quicker recovery and muscle repair. Snack on a handful of mixed nuts, add flax seeds to your smoothies, or sprinkle chia seeds on top of yogurt for an easy nutritional boost. 8. Quinoa. Quinoa is a superfood that stands out due to its complete protein profile, providing all 9 essential amino acids necessary for muscle growth. It's also rich in magnesium, phosphorus, zinc, and iron, which support the production of muscle proteins. Unlike most grains, quinoa has a low glycemic index, ensuring a steady release of energy without blood sugar spikes. This slow energy release is essential for older adults who need sustained energy for daily activities. Add quinoa to soups, salads, or serve it as a side dish instead of rice. 9. Avocado. Avocado is more than just a trendy fruit. It's a nutritional powerhouse. Rich in monounsaturated fats, potassium, and antioxidants, avocados enhance muscle recovery and reduce fatigue. Potassium plays a crucial role in muscle contraction, preventing cramps and stiffness. One unique aspect of avocados is that they provide a source of healthy fats, which help in the absorption of fat-soluble vitamins, including vitamin D and K, both essential for bone and muscle health. Use avocados in smoothies, on toast, or as a creamy addition to salads. 10. Tofu. Tofu is a versatile plant-based protein made from soybeans. It's an ideal choice for vegetarians or seniors looking for meatless protein options. Calcium, magnesium, and phosphorus found in tofu support bone and muscle health. Tofu contains all 9 essential amino acids, making it a complete protein. It's also rich in isoflavones, which have antioxidant properties that may slow muscle loss in aging adults. Add tofu to stir-fries, soups, or scramble it as a plant-based alternative to eggs. It's clear that muscle weakness is about more than just weak legs. When muscles weaken, it increases your risk of falls, fractures, and a loss of independence. Weaker muscles also reduce your body's ability to control blood sugar, increasing the risk of type 2 diabetes. While diet plays a major role, don't forget the power of physical activity. Regular walks, light strength training, or yoga can help maintain your muscle strength. Even 20 minutes a day can make a massive difference. Are you already eating any of these superfoods? Drop a comment below and tell us which ones are part of your daily diet. If this video helped you, type "yes" in the comments. Don't forget to check out the other videos we've selected just for you. Join our membership community. Get access to early videos, exclusive perks, and loyalty badges. Click the join button and become a valued part of our Healthholic Master family. Stay strong, stay healthy, stay unstoppable. See you in the next video.